Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll look at an exciting feature within Excel that we can use to automate some of the daily tasks we do. So I believe we all send email on a daily basis to our friends, or if you're running a small business, okay, you'll be sending a lot of emails to your customer. Probably it's about the information of your services or the products you have launched or some kind of marketing email. So I believe, sending emails manually to multiple different customers takes a lot of time and it's a bit tedious. So ideally, this process can be done in many different ways. Probably templating an email in Google, making that template and sending it to them, sending it to multiple different email addresses. But today, what we'll do is we'll see how Excel can solve this problem and how easy it is. To start with, I'll quickly show you a demo, and after that, we will get into how I managed to get it done. So let's say you're running a small company and you have list of email addresses. Yeah. So right now, I've put in only 2 email addresses, and I want to send this email to both these customers as a separate email. So I want the subject to be this, and I want the email body to be this. So all you need to do now is just click this send email button. See what happens. It says email has been sent. I'll just quickly open my Outlook and show you that email has gone. This email has gone. So if you notice, I go to sent items. You can see it is 5:33, 17:33. So 2 emails have gone to 2 people. So that is one, this email, and another one, this email. Yeah, same content. So see how fast it is. Imagine if you have 1,000 emails and if you want to send the same content, it is pretty much a click of a button. But just to prove it to you guys, let's add another email and amend the message. Yeah, let's add another email. Let's say another email I have is this, and I want to change the subject to check my latest product. Yeah. So I'm just going to, I amended that. So right now I'm again going to send the email. Email is like literally 2 seconds. It is sent. If you go back to my inbox, you can see another 3-1. See, check my latest product. This is the latest release to my product. This first email, this is the second email, this is the third email. Just to make sure that the email has been received by the customer, that is this email. I'll just open you one of the email and show you. Yeah. So let me open one. Let's try and open this. Yeah. Gmail.com. You can just see, yeah. So those 2 emails I've received. Check my latest website. Check my latest product. You click that. Okay, you have the thing. See, this would add a lot of value to a lot of people. This can be utilized in multiple scenarios. Now let us dive into how I managed to get it done. This is not rocket science. Okay, so if you know a bit of VBA, you can get this done very quickly. Okay, so this is the code I've written. So basically, to navigate to that code from your Excel, that is macro enabled Excel, you just have to click Alt F11. So that will take you to this. So this is the module I've written. Yeah. So all I've sent is I've written one function. So where I'm just declaring some objects and some variables here. The first one I'm doing is I'm setting this variable as worksheet 1, which is sheet 1 here, sheet 2 to this. I'm just getting the email subject from the range of A2 dot value. The cell A2 is the value of my subject. Likewise, okay, cell D2 is the body of the email. This one. Now what I'm doing is I'm just setting the range of email address in sheet 1. So I have all the email addresses sheet 1 in column A. So I'm taking the whole column A from A2 to full A and putting that in this particular range. So then what I'm doing is I'm using this particular out tab as the object out tab to create an instance of Outlook. Okay, this is the syntax. So you can get this online. Okay, if you Google it, you'll know. So then what I'm doing is for each email address in this range emails, for this particular email range, whatever we have, for each email address, I'm taking and setting, sending a, Outlook email. So here we say this is the syntax. You add the properties of the email. The email address dot value, subject is email subject. body is email body. So you have email body here, and the two is taken from the range of emails. Yeah. Okay, then I'm using the property dot to send it. Then once it is done, so I'm just going to the next email address and iterating until all the email address has been addressed. So then finally, what I'm doing is I'm just closing, making the releasing the memory of Outlook by using this property. And finally, I'm just informing the user with the message box saying that the email has been sent. This is a very simple code. So this is what I've done. Okay, so I hope we can use this application of this particular feature in many scenarios. Let's say from the data analytics scenario, let's say if these dashboards are saved somewhere, if you want to send the email to multiple users of the same dashboard, you can simply add that as an attachment also and send an email. It will send it to each and every user. So we can improvise using that. But I just want to quickly show you, this particular feature with an Excel. I hope this would have been useful for you. I will put this with the code in the below description. So you can go to that link and download that sheet. Probably if you're interested how to learn, you can learn the VBA code. Or if you're interested in using it, all you have to do is put in all your email address here. Don't change anything else. Just keep adding emails. And whatever you want to send, put the subject here, put the email body here, and use this. Click this to send emails. So that's it for today. So I believe this would have added some value to you. So if you're interested in more content like this, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Or if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section. Thanks a lot. I'll see you with another video very soon. Yeah. Take care.